So entering into the exercise problem, all of you write it in your classwork. Exercise 1.1. Actually start up with a fresh page. Write unit 1, playing with numbers. And write exercise 1.1. First main, write the following in generalized form. You can pause the video and copy the question later on. Okay, they have given a question. We have to write the following in generalized form. In the introduction video, I said what is the meaning of generalized form, what is decimal form, and what is generalized form of base 10. Okay, they have given a number called 39 which is in decimal form. So I will write this decimal form in a generalized form. How to write it in a generalized form? 9 and 3 we have. We know that 3 is in tens place and 9 is in units place. So I can write 3 into 10. Why I am writing into 10? Because 3 is in tens place. Plus 9 into 1. Because 1 is in units place, that is 1. So this is how you need to represent a decimal form into a generalized form. Got it clear? So second one we have, second one 106. Again the question is same, write the following in generalized form. So 1 is in hundreds place, so I can write 1 into 100 plus 0 is in tens place, so I can write 0 into 10. 6 is in units place, so I can write 6 into 1. This is how I need to write it in the generalized form of a number 106 or 106. Okay, next one. Last one we have like this, 7000. 7 is in thousandth place, correct? Unit place, tens place, hundred place and thousand place. So I can write 7 into 1000 plus 0 is in, this 0 is in 100 place, so I can write 0 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1. Or we can just write 7 into 1000 only, because anything multiplied with 0 is 0 only, isn't it? We can just write only 7 into 1000. If you write like this also, no wrong in that. But you can write like this also. So this is the generalized form for the number 7000. Still many problems are there from this first main. Remaining problems I am going to give you as a homework. That also you need to write it in your classwork. Okay. Shortly I will be giving you the homework also. So make a note of the homework and write it properly in a classwork and you need to send. Okay, let I go for the second main now. Second main we have like this. Write the following in decimal form. First main, write the following in generalized form. They were giving the decimal form and we were being asked to write it in the generalized form. But here they have given you a generalized form and they are asking you to write it in the decimal form. Pause the video and copy the question. Okay, fine. So they have given a generalized form, 7 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Before writing in the decimal form, you have to check one thing. That is, you have to check whether all the places are correct. In the sense, look here, we are having a 100 place. After 100 place, we are having a 10th place. After that, we are having a unit place. If it is in the correct order, then only you can write the number as it is. It's very simple. What's the number here? 7. What is the number here? 5. So write it as a second. And what is the number here? 8. So the answer is 758. 7 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1 can be written in the decimal form as 758. Okay, let I go for the second one now. Second one we have 7 into 1000 plus 6 into 1. Before writing the number as I said earlier, you have to check that. See, we are having here 1000. After 1000, we have to have hundreds place. But look here, we are having here units place. So two things are missing. One is hundreds place is missing as well as tens place is missing. Directly they have given the units place. So how we are going to represent this generalized form in a decimal form means, first write down 7. Okay. But after that we are not having 100 place number. Isn't it? So you write it as 0 because we don't have 100 place number. So you write it as 0. After 100 it is 10th place. Again we are not having 10th place with any number. So again you write it as 0. After 10th place you have to check for units place. Units place we are having a number called 6. So write the number as 6. So 7006 is a decimal form of this generalized form. See, I will explain you again. The question is 7 into 1000 plus 6 into 1. Correct? We can write 7 as it is. After 1000, 100 place should be there. But we don't have any 100th place here. Since we don't have any 100th place here, we are going to write the number called 0. Again we don't have 10th place, so again we are going to write 0. But we have units place with a number called 6, so I am going to write the number as 6. I hope you understood, but I teach you with another example. I hope you understood very well there. Look the third one, 3 into 1000 plus 2 into 100. So in 1000th place we are having 3, so write it 3. After 1000 we have to check whether we have 100th place or not. Look here, we are having a 100th place called 2, so write 2 also. After 100th place we have to check whether we have 10th place or not. We are not having any number in the 10th place, so write it 0. Units place also we are not having anything, so 0. So the answer is 3200. Very simple guys. Whenever we have 1000th place with a number, write it. 100th place with a number, write it. When you don't have any number with 10th place as well as with the units place, then you have to write it as 0. Then you have to write it as 0. So the answer is 3200. Okay, let I go for the last example. Try to solve it by your own, that example. Fourth one we have 6 into 1000 plus 5 into 10. In 1000th place we are having 6, so write down 6. After 1000th place you have to check in 100th place we are having any number or not. We are not having any number in the 100th place, correct? We are having in the 10th place. We are not having any number in the 100th place, so write 0. After 100th place we have to check in the 10th place we are having number or not. We are having number called 5, so write 5. After 10th place we are not having any number with the units place, so again write it as 0. So the answer is 6050. Hope you understood well. Let I continue with the exercise 1.2 now.